Imagine you had such a power that you could control anyone, your boss, your friend, even a stranger. This isn't magic. It's the darkest part of psychology. And today, you're going to learn 5 dark psychology tricks that powerful people use. Use them wisely, because once you learn them, you'll start seeing through. Trick number 5, the illusion of choice. Why do people say no when you ask them directly? Because they want control. But here's the secret. Give them a choice, both of which lead to your outcome. Let's say you want your friend to go out with you. Don't ask. Want to go out instead? Should we hit Pizza Hut or Domino's? Now they feel like they're deciding. But the truth is, you've already made the decision. They just picked from a box you built. Brands, politicians, leaders, they all use this. Trick number 4, the yes ladder. Getting someone to say yes to a big request. You don't start big, you start small. Let's say you want a promotion. Instead of asking directly, "Sir, I want a promotion," say, "Can I join the next client meeting to learn more? Then can I handle part of this project? Then can I attend the leadership workshop?" Now, your boss is used to saying yes. And finally, when you ask, "Sir, considering all this, could I be considered for a promotion?" He's already said yes 3 times. Saying no now feels unnatural. And that is the power of the yes ladder. Trick number 3, the guilt trap. People are driven more by emotions than logic, and nothing triggers action faster than guilt. Want to borrow someone's car? Don't say, "Can I borrow your car?" Say, "Hey man, remember when I lended you that $200 last month? I just need a small favor." Now their brain isn't thinking, it's feeling. Guilt kicks in and suddenly the keys are in your hand. Trick number 2, false memory planting. Repeat a lie enough times and the brain starts calling it truth. Politicians love this. We lifted 70% of people out of poverty. We created 5,000 jobs in the worst economy. We transformed the whole city. Even if it's fake, when said with emotion, detail, and repetition, people's minds build false memories. And that's what they vote on. Our brains love stories, even fake ones. Trick number 1, the power of silence. The real power is silence. Not speaking, not reacting, just waiting. Want the truth from someone? Look them in the eye and say, "I know everything." Then shut up. The pressure builds and most people can't handle it. They'll talk even if they shouldn't need a discount. Say the 30% discount will apply, right? Then wait. They'll agree just to escape the silence. Silence makes people nervous. It makes them fill in the blanks, and it puts you in control. These tricks, they're not magic. They're human nature flipped against itself. Use them to influence, use them to defend yourself, but never to harm. Because once you understand how people think, you hold the code to control how they act. Use it wisely. The mind has dark corners most are afraid to explore. Hit subscribe to join the few who understand them